Alright guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video I'm going to show you the best method to promote a CPA offer. So just make sure you watch this video till the end so that you're able to make some money with this method I'm going to show you. Before we dive in, I'll quickly invite you to kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. Without wasting much of your time, let's head over to a CPA network called Lemon Ads so that you're able to look for an offer to promote. lemonads.com. So here we are on lemonads.com. So if you are new here, all you have to do is just to hit this apply button. Then you fill up all this form, but you want to tick this as a publisher. Okay, you are not here to buy traffic. Okay, you are here to promote CPA offers. So you want to tick this, then you fill up all this and wait for approval. So I've already got approval for this network here. So all I have to do is just to sign in and show you how to promote the offers. So I have to sign in. So this is the interface here, guys. This is the Lemon Ads interface. So don't be confused with all these icons you are seeing here. All these are offers. Okay, so to promote any of these offers, all you have to do is just to hit on this subscribe and wait for your account manager to approve the offer. Then you'll be able to promote the offer. So I've already applied for a sweepstake offer and I've got approved for the offer. So let's go out there to promote the offer. All you have to do is just to click this link here, my links, and these are the offers. So all the offers you got approved for will reflect here on this page. So I've already got approved for this offer here, and I'll copy the link, then head over to bit.ly to shrink the link, and I'll hit this create button and I'll paste in the link, create, and this is my new link. Okay, all I have to do is just to copy the link, and I've copied the link. Then we'll head over to twitter.com. okay, so this is what I'm going to show you here. So on getting to Twitter, guys, all you have to do is just to create a new account. Okay, create a new account with a generic name, like best deal, free giveaway. Just be creative with any name you want to give so that people will be able to click through the page, okay, and check your link. Okay, so this is the account I just created for the sake of this tutorial, which is the best deal. Okay, so to create the same exact profile here, guys, all you have to do is just to hit this edit profile, then use these words, but try to be creative. Don't use the same exact words I use here. Okay, try to tweak it a little bit, okay, so that it won't look the same. Then you add the link, you shrink on bit.ly, you add the link here under this website. Okay, and that's all. And you save it. Okay, so when you save it, anyone that comes to this page, they'll be able to read through this giveaway gift card worth of $500 to any lucky person. No scam, 100% legit. Then they'll be able to click this link, and with that you'll be able to make some money. Okay, so after you're done with creating your profile, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to this button here, which is a tweet. So you want to create your first tweet. So to create your first, you hit this button and try to create this same exact method here, as in this same exact template here. Use the same exact template I use. Okay, so give away gift card worth of $500 to any lucky person here. Then this is very important, guys. Follow the simple steps to win. Okay, you want to list out the steps. So follow us, like, comment and retweet, click the link, follow through and sign up. Then you participate, and this is the link you shrink on bit.ly, and you add in the link. Then very important, you want to add in some tags below this. Okay, so I didn't add the tags, but you want to add tags like hashtag giveaway, hashtag free Amazon gift card, so that people will be able to see the tweet. Okay, so after adding this, then this is the image. You can get this image on Google. Okay, just type in Amazon gift card on Google, then these are images. You just choose any of these, and I prefer using this. There's this image I use here, so just check and choose anyone you like among all these images. Then you add it to your tweet, okay, so that it will convert more. Okay, and you add it to your tweet, and you save. So after you're done with saving, then the next thing you want to do, you want to go out there to look for followers. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get followers fast. So to get followers fast, you want to head over to this search bar here, then you type in hashtag giveaways. So under this hashtag, it will pop up tons of tweets. So all you have to do is just to scroll down and check through the most recent and most engaged tweet. So to do that, let's check through this. What's the date? February 17, which is I think is recent, right? So 500 Amazon gift card. So if you click this, and check through the people that likes this, which is 12 people, all these people are targeted traffic on that Amazon gift card, okay, because they are interested in getting gift cards. So what you want to do is that you want to follow all these people. Try to follow this. You follow this person, click on the page, and go to the recent page of the person and try to like the tweet and retweet. Okay, like and retweet. Then that's how you do to the next. Follow this person also. Click on the name, then the recent tweet, like, then you retweet also, so that the people will be able to follow you back. Okay, so that's it. That's a trick under the method. So the moment you like and retweet, the people will also follow you back. So that's how it is. And after some, so you try to follow like 20 people a day, so that Twitter will not block your account because it's a new account. So after the account has become aged account, you can follow like 100 above. Okay, so presently you should follow 20 people a day. Okay, so follow 20 people a day, like, then retweet their recent tweets. So that's how it works. Okay, so after some moment and you feel like you want to unfollow most of these people, then you head over to a website called unfollowspy.com, so that you'll be able to unfollow most of these people. Okay, because you can't be following tons of people, so you have to unfollow most of them. So just try to sign in with your Twitter account and wait for it to load up. Good, this is the dashboard. So if you check through this dashboard here, I've already signed in with the account I created on Twitter, which is the best deal, right? So if you check through, I just followed 25 people and one of them have already followed me. Okay, so this method is working. All you need is just patience. Okay, you need patience. So you have to be building it little by little, not by you can't start a day and think you'll be able to make tons of money a day. Okay, so you should know that it's not a get rich quick scheme. So it needs time. Okay, so I followed 25 people today and one of them have followed me back. So if you wish to unfollow all these people here, all you have to do is just to click this button and you scroll to this doesn't follow back. So it's a pop up people that doesn't follow you back. So these are the list of people that doesn't follow you back. So all you have to do is just, if you want to unfollow all these people, just hit on this unfollow, and if you head back to your Twitter account, to reflect here. So we have 24 following, right? So to unfollow, you unfollow this, then head back and you reload this page to reflect here. So can you see that you unfollow 2 people under this website and it's reflected here, which is now 23 following. So that's how it works. So with this method, I'm sure you're gonna see some results. Okay, so all you have to do is just rinse and repeat. Okay, rinse and repeat. That's how it works. Okay, so it doesn't take time. Just create an account under Twitter. Okay, name it, then you create a tweet. Use this same exact profile I use here. Okay, then you create a tweet. Okay, and you start following the people under the hashtag you are using. Okay, hashtag Amazon gift card, hashtag giveaway. So it works with any niche. Okay, it works with any niche, with any offer. Okay, all you have to do is just to be creative, so it works. Okay, here's your link. Anyone that comes to this page, you see the link and click through, and you'll be able to make some money with that. Okay, so that's how it works. I hope you learned from this method. If you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a like and smash the notification bell. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.